Hello, my lovelies. Just as daytime skincare is important for protecting our skin, like that, our skin deserves some extra love at night. So, guys, here is suggested night skincare routine that using cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and serum application. So, we'll start by removing any makeup or sunscreen with a cleanser. Here I am using Record cleansing milk. Gently massage it for 2 minutes. Then rinse your face with warm water. Next, apply toner to help rebalance the skin's pH levels. Next, serum application. I'm using Record Glow Serum. Apply a few drops of serum and gently pat it onto your face, focusing that areas. Last step, moisturizing. Select a suitable moisturizer according to your skin that works well with your skin. I'm using Record moisturizer with goat milk.